Okay, dear students, in the today I will show you how to connect your mobile phone for your Android student to check how the output is going to be get in the mobile screen directly instead of using a Gradle in your system. Okay, for that you need to make a very simple setting changes in your mobile phone. Those settings are uh, first you need to go for settings, follow the steps. First you go for settings. In the settings, search for about phone, search for about phone. Once you click on the about phone, in particular I am showing in the Samsung phone. You can find these things in all the Android phones. Here in the about phone you can see the build number. Search for build number. It is not mandatory that in every phone you can see status, legal information, software information, battery information like this only. But anyhow, you will see the about phone. Inside the about phone, you please search for this particular build number. In my phone, particularly in my phone, I am going to get that build number inside my software information. I don't know in which phone it is going to display build number in particular folders. Okay, so just search for build number inside your about phone. That is a simple technique how to find the build number. Once you find the build number, give multiple tappings so that you can see here step 1, step 2, step 3, and it will ask you to go for pattern. Here I give the pattern and it will show you developer mode has been enabled. Once the developer mode is enabled, go and check in your phone. Below the about phone you can find developer option or somewhere within the settings itself you will get this option. Before that this option will be not visible. Once you enable the developer option inside the this build number, inside this software information here particularly, once you tapping multiple times on the build number, developer mode will be open, enabled. Once developer mode is enabled, you can see an options like this. Before this enablement of developer option, you are not able to see this developer option. Once developer mode is enabled, you are able to see this developer option. Once developer option is on, then go and click on the developer option. Inside the developer option, go and check for USB debugging. This is very important. I will repeat once again. Once developer option is open, click on the developer option, then search for USB debugging. You can see this USB debugging. You enable this USB debugging. You enable this. It will ask for allow USB debugging. Once this is enabled, then your phone will be capable of going in the developer mode, and it will show you the output once you connect your mobile phone to your laptop through the USB cable through the to the Android Studio. Okay, this is how these are the settings what you need to make. Make sure that your USB debugging is on inside the developer option, and before that you should know where should be locate the developer option to enable. That is inside the about phone, search for build number, tap the multiple taps on the build number, then the developer option will open. Once developer option will open, just open the developer option, enable the USB debugging. Okay, after this you just connect your mobile phone to your laptop using the USB cable and allow file transfer in your mobile phone. That is the things what you need to do. Once mobile is connected, next I will show you in the video how the other settings we need to be make in the Android Studio to get connect with the phone for seeing the output. These are the things what you need to make with your mobile phones. Okay, fine. Rest of the things I will show you in the laptop. Okay. Yeah, now I will show you how to connect your phone into the Android Studio to run the display the output in your mobile screen. First, now I will connect. Before connecting my phone, I will make sure that no device is connected into your Android Studio. You can see here in your Android Studio, before the run button, you can see no devices are connected. It will show the option. If emulator is going to run, it will go with the everyday option. Now, right now, no option, no mobile phones are connected to my Android Studio. And you can also see in the locate cat sorry log cat, in the bottom left you can see the log cat. Here already I checked with the Samsung phone, so it recognized my phone, but right now it is not connected. Now what I will do, I will go and connect my phone. Now I am connecting my phone. Connected. Once connected, yeah, it is showing Galaxy J7 Next. Now check in the log cat. It is going to give some readings, that in the sense the mobile phone is connected to your system, and you can observe here no devices in the connected. Now it is showing Samsung SM, the device is connected, and it recognized the device. It means that it is going to be recognize your phone. If you are not able to see your phone on the lock cat, or even in the no device option, please repeat the steps what I shown in your mobile. You repeat the steps, disable all the USB debugging option and enable that, and go in the developer mode option. You repeat those steps once again, and you check, you connect your phone, you can see the options over here. Okay, now once you can see your device over here, your device name here. Now just you change your tab from logcat to the build number. Click on the build, just click on the build, you can see here. Now you run your application. Now you run your application. I'm going to run the application. Once I start running my application, it built successfully, and in your mobile is going to show you the output. It's quite simple as that. In your, it is showing that choose your devices. Here it is going to show the output. Installed successfully, app restart successfully without requiring an reinstall. It is already installed, and it is going to see in your mobile screens. This is how simple you can run your applications on your mobile phone instead of emulator, and it is quite simple and quite easy, and time taking for this also very less. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, you please contact me or message me if you have any doubts on how to connect your mobile phone, Android phone, for your Android Studio. Okay, fine. This is the thing what I need to be show here. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you once again.